Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to sign a documents on iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, find the documents. If you have a document in a PDF form, sometimes it will be saved into the file, and you just need to find which documents that you want to sign. Okay, let's say I would like to sign this document. So iPhone already give to you the easiest way to sign this document, so you can work only by your phone. So you can take a look on these button features here. There will be like 4 sections. To give a sign, you just need to go click at this pen symbols in the third section, and you just need to pick which pen type that you want to have. Don't forget also adjusting the colors too, or if you already have a signature on your phone, you just need to go click this plus button, go click signature, and found the signature that you already create. And now you just need to place your signature into the specific part of the documents, and whenever you're done, go click done, and the document now is already signed, and you can now send into your coworkers. So that's the way how to sign the documents on iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I'll see you for the next video.